దక్షిణాదిలో భాజపా అధికారంలోకి వచ్చే రెండో రాష్ట్రం తెలంగాణ అని బీజేవైఎం యువ మోర్చా జాతీయ అధ్యక్షుడు తేజస్వి సూర్య స్పష్టం చేశారు. బండి సంజయ్ చేస్తున్న ప్రజా సంగ్రామ యాత్రలో పాల్గొన్న ఆయన రాష్ట్రంలో భాజపాను అధికారంలోకి తీసుకువచ్చే వరకు విశ్రమించొద్దని కార్యకర్తలకు సూచించారు. రాబోయే సెప్టెంబర్ 17న తెలంగాణ దిశను మార్చనుందంటున్న తేజస్వి సూర్యతో మా ప్రతినిధి క్రాంతికుమార్ ముఖాముఖి.
జోరుగా కొనసాగుతుంది. భాజపా యువమోర్చా జాతీయ అధ్యక్షులు తేజస్వి సూర్య ర్యాలీలో పాల్గొన్నారు. ప్రయాణంగా యువతను ఉద్దేశించి వారు ప్రసంగం చేశారు. అయితే 2023లో ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో తెలంగాణలో అధికారంలోకి వస్తామని వారు చెప్తున్నారు. వీళ్ళు అధికారంలో రావడానికి వీళ్ళకున్న ధీమా ఏంటి, అసలు వీళ్ళ ప్లాన్స్ ఏంటి అన్న విషయాలని తేజస్వి సూర్యని అడిగి తెలుసుకున్నారు. సార్, హౌ ఇస్ ద రెస్పాన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద పీపుల్ టు ద ప్రజా సంగ్రామ్ యాత్ర?
The response to Praja Sangram Yatra, led by our dynamic state president Bandi Sanjay Garu, has been abhutapurva, exceptional and organic. People are coming in very big numbers and taking part in the yatra. Why are they coming in such big numbers? The last 7 years has been a rule of deterioration, insensitivity, corruption, nepotism, dynasty politics. All of these ideas, New India, Young India has rejected all over the country. But Telangana continues to be in the same mold of old politics. इसलिए बहुत सारे लोग गुस्सा निकालने के लिए टीआरएस के प्रति जो आशा था, जो निराशा में आज कन्वर्ट हो चुकी है, इसको बाहर डालने के लिए और नया तेलंगाना को बनाने का संकल्प लेने के लिए प्रजा संग्राम यात्रा में भाग ले रहे हैं. The other thing that I have seen in the yatra is, even yesterday, 95% of the crowd was young people and new people. And this new people, these young people who are coming and joining the yatra, will bring the change that Telangana needs.
What are the differences you have observed Karnataka between Telangana?
Well, culturally, the Kannada people and Telugu people are very closely knit. If you observe all the four South Indian Dravidian languages, you will find a lot of similarity in both language, written, spoken between Telugu and Kannada. Culturally, we are both similar, but politically, I see the Karnataka of 2004-2005 in Telangana of 2021. By that I mean, the BJP came to power in Karnataka for the first time in 2004. We emerged as the single largest party. The same kind of atmosphere, the same kind of yearning for change, which was seen in Karnataka of 2004, I see in Telangana of 2021. And most importantly, between Telangana and Karnataka's young karyakartas of the party, I don't see much of a change, because all the young karyakartas of the party, all the Yuva Morcha karyakartas of the party are very keen that Telangana moves ahead in the developmental journey led by Narendra Modi. I can tell you for a fact, in 2023, Telangana will see the second BJP government in south of India, and the young of Telangana will lead this journey.
How can you be so sure that you will become power in 2023 elections in Telangana?
Because every section of society has been let down terribly by KCR and the TRS. Sangareddy is part of the industrial corridor network. A large number of MSMEs are operating there. Thousands of MSMEs are declared as sick units. What support have these MSMEs got from KCR government in the last 5-6 years? In the same way, in every section, if you look at the youth, there are unemployed youth committing suicides. The farmers are in deep distress. KCR had promised complete loan waiver. Like his other promises, it has failed to. KCR's history of rule is a history of consistently lying to people. He said, we will give you 2 BHK houses. I asked people yesterday if anybody has got, nobody answered positively. Educational scholarships, other than giving it for minority students, the majority of the students are not getting any scholarships. 3-acre scheme of giving land to the Dalit families is a colossal failure. If you take any such scheme, it is only announcement and it is not followed through. Which is why the failures of the TRS government will give strength to the BJP. Not just that, I also want to add at this point, Telangana has always been a land of nationalists. But this government, under the pressure of AIMIM, passed the resolution against the CAA. KCRG does not have the courage to celebrate Telangana Liberation Day on the 17th of September because he thinks that will upset the Razakars here. This is a government where the car is of TRS, but the driver is a Razakar. And this is why the people of Telangana will change this government, bring in a nationalist government which will not shy away from supporting the Asmita of Telangana, cultural identity of Telangana, the dharma of people of Telangana. This is an absolutely clear issue.
What are the plans to come to power in Telangana?
हर एक प्रदेश में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की एक ही प्लान होती है, वो ये है कि लोगों तक पार्टी का विचार को पहुंचाने का काम, बूथ बूथ तक पार्टी को स्ट्रेंथन करने का काम, आम जनता को प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में देश कैसे प्रगति हो रही है इसके बारे में बताने का काम, और जो भी लोकल इश्यूज होती है उसको हाईलाइट करके लोगों तक पहुंचा के एक माहौल सृजन करना है पूरे प्रदेश में जो पार्टी को उपयोग होगे। इन द सेम वे इन Telangana also, we will go house to house, tell people of Telangana the achievements of the Narendra Modi government. People of Telangana have absolute great respect and love for our Prime Minister. They know that Telangana has unfortunately been sidelined in the journey of development. They are angry against the state government. We will mobilize and organize this anger and frustration and the hope that they have towards the Prime Minister and convert it into electoral benefits at the booth. This is a challenge for us, but our कार्यकर्तास are ready to toil and work hard. दोपहर में इतना धूप था, शाम को बहुत बारिश आ रहा था, परंतु हमारे कार्यकर्ता, एक कार्यकर्ता भी पीछे नहीं हटे। प्रजा संग्राम यात्रा धूप आए तो भी चलता है, बारिश आता भी चलता है। कमल खिलाने का काम जो है वो हम हर एक रूप में प्रयास करके करेंगे।
There is a talk that senior Telangana BJP leaders are not supporting to Bandi Sanjay Yatra. What is your comment on this?
बिल्कुल गलत बात है। हमारे पार्टी में ऐसा कल्चर ही नहीं है। पार्टी जब एक निर्णय लेता है और पार्टी एक डिसीजन करता है, वो डिसीजन को, वो निर्णय को सभी कार्यकर्ता मान के हम आगे चलते हैं। बंडी संजय जी इज अवर स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट। अंडर हिज लीडरशिप द प्रजा संग्राम यात्रा इज टर्निंग आउट टू बी मैसिवली सक्सेसफुल। एवरी स्टेट एंड सेंट्रल लीडर इज सपोर्टिंग दिस यात्रा होल हार्टेडली। एंड ऑन द 17 माननीय गृह मंत्री श्री अमित शाह जी भी इस यात्रा में भाग लेने के लिए तेलंगाना में आ रहे हैं। दैट इवेंट 17 September 2021 event will be a game changer in the history of Telangana. On 17 September, on the Telangana Liberation Day, Amit Shah ji will promise to build a new Telangana, put a full stop to the rule of the Razakars of today, just like Manya Sardar Patel ji had put an end to the rule of Nizam that day. And a new Telangana will be established, and for that the groundwork has already begun.
Is it possible to develop leaders like Surya in Telangana BJP?
I am a Karyakarta of the party. There are thousands of Karyakartas in Telangana. I would say many of them more capable, more strong, more popular among their people than me. The beauty of the Bharatiya Janata Party is that it grooms common people with no political backgrounds, coming from lower middle class families, and it raises them to the power of national leaders. तेलंगाना में जो भी युवा मोर्चा के कार्यकर्ता है वो सब बड़े बड़े नेता बनने का क्षमता है और अभी भी वो जन नेता है। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की विशेषता है। वो टीआरएस में ऐसे नहीं चलते हैं। टीआरएस में प्रेसिडेंट भी परिवार से होते हैं, वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट भी परिवार से होते हैं, स्लीपिंग प्रेसिडेंट, स्टैंडिंग प्रेसिडेंट, सब काइंड ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट जो भी होते हैं वो सब परिवार से ही होते हैं। टीआरएस एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी की नाते काम नहीं करता है, वो प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी की नाते काम करते हैं। बट भारतीय जनता पार्टी एक संगठन है जिसमें सभी आम युवा आकर भाग ले सकते हैं और काम करने के बाद, श्रद्धा दिखाने के बाद किसी ऊंचाई तक पहुंचाने का मौका सभी कार्यकर्ता को सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी में ही है।
ఇది తేజస్వి సూర్య గారి అభిప్రాయాలు। కెమెరా పర్సన్ ఉమేశ్వరరావుతో క్రాంతి కుమార్, ఈటీవీ న్యూస్।